I'm Linda Stevens, one of the first owners of Stevens Tractor Company, and I am doing a fall garden this week. And I've already started a little bit with tilling up the garden and planting some onions, turnips, cabbage, cauliflower, just a few other things. Still have some mustard to be put in the ground, so I've just tilled up a row and we'll start from there. All right, there is mustard seed. And I just sprinkle it out. There's really no, you can't put one little seed because they're so small. You can go back in there and thin it after they come up. I've always planted mustards and turnips and sweet Irish potatoes, planted onions. And I don't do anything else. A lot of people may put dirt over on them, I don't. I just leave it as is. So I have some markers that I will put on there just to know what I planted, but most of the time I can look at it and tell. I don't send Russell out to pick anything. When we first got married back in the 70s, he wanted some turnips. And I told him, I said, well, go to the garden and pick them. Well, I had a lot of radishes that year, and he come in with a whole bunch of radishes. So I don't ask him to pick anything. He does know what the tomatoes are. So he grows a lot of tomatoes. All of the footprints out here will all be cleared up. I'll either rake them or till them under. That way it'll be nice and smooth, and I can see when the deer and anybody else that walks through here will leave a footprint. Because we have a lot of deer and rabbit that visits the gardens. We are through for the day because it's getting very hot out here. This morning's temperature was in the 60s, and it was just great to be out early in the morning. But this afternoon's a little warm, and we need a lot of rain. And other than that, that's it for today. But we will send out another message here in a couple of weeks to let you know how it's doing.